this also means we have to do it for the hood as well. I've been biking a lot with it. So what we did was we replaced the hub with another bike hub that we had. And just put it there. I mean, the bike's good. I just think it was me overusing it, like, and going too fast. Yeah, the sun. I put this outside, so the sun just. This used to be neon green, like, right?
Yeah. So this bike lives outside?
Yeah, it would be in way better condition if I actually had a place to put it inside. But I got this, what, in like May? April.
$200?
Yeah, I need to put air.
Not bad. I bought mine for 160 something from Amazon. It's called a Euro fashion bike.
What size is it? This one's 29 inch.
Mine is a 27.
Yeah, this we actually added extra, like a holder for a water bottle. And this too. That was from an old bike I had. Everything else is pretty much what it brings.
Let me call.
You need the other horn that's on the scooter.
Yeah, I need that horn.
What?
The horn on the scooter. That would be the perfect horn for the bike.
Oh, the horn. So let me call
Yeah,
Gigi. In the meantime, Steven, make your note.
I'm doing that right now.
How much thing is on?
I want to be able to see it.
Okay.
What?
Oh, it is
I'm so glad I didn't have my
What? Let's take it out. It's untested.
the floor. Are you sure it'll survive that? Okay, for starters, this needs to twist this way.
I started talking to you, but we didn't finish. But this thing, remember I told you about removing this? Not removing it, but tightening it. Yeah, so if I'm looking at this head on, okay, I would say it is straight. So we need to tighten it. And I want you to do both sides, okay? So get a T, get a Allen wrench
pliers, because I don't think.
not a pliers.
I don't think I would get the wrench in there fully.
Yes, you can. We can get the wrench. Yeah. Working from the bottom.
But the top ones. I could get the bottom ones for sure. But not the top.
Hang on. Let me come on your side. So the top one you're going to get from in here. Right? All the way from here. Okay, so here's what you need. We need to back this off.
A little bit on the heavy.
So this one is a side as well. Look, this side as
On
well.
opposite side.
Yes.
Need to do that side too.
So just back it off until you get, until it stops moving. Okay, so you're pulling it off. No. Let it be flush. It came off. Came off.
This is super small. This screws like small.
Came off. You see it? So what I would go ahead and do is back this out.
Nothing like that is small.
So it's on now, so just grab it. So I get the feeling that this is not, it's not holding. See that? So this is the wrong size. So what we need is different size. So let us make sure that the one that we get, it cannot be too long. It has to be just a tad bit longer than this one. That might be good.
That might be too small.
I don't feel like explaining it right now. Yeah, that knot's supposed to be there. If not, the whole thing falls apart. Alright. Gio, did you get whatever you needed for...
I got shoulder knee pads and elbow pads. I looked at the store.
Why do you have these now?
Because my other one's only $1.
Thanks.
I do need cheap pads.
I think I'm keeping it here
These are
overnight
pretty cheap.
because it's raining. Did
These
you,
are pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Gio.
The only thing is that I have one less sprocket. What? He's trying to
Oh, your
flex.
AirPods?
Yeah, those guys are pretty cheap. So like for you, I'm only it. It's like 2
I
cents.
my
Oh,
dad
they're so cheap, but that's
replaced the sprocket, the hub. So it actually has one less setting. I can't go as fast.
rattles. It's here.
Rattles.
Sound test.
The what? I don't think you're listening to me. Whatever.
Whatever.
Andy.
These are terrible.
Or Gio, maybe.
These are a lot worse than the last $10 headphones I got.
Gio. You're gonna help me cut this.
I have work.
What work are you gonna do?
I have to move everything to the room.
Huh?
I have to move all that stuff to the room. I was assigned by this. Well, this is going to break fast, which is good. It's all $8 Sony headphones at Walmart that I did purchase.
Okay, Andy, you're gonna help me in a bit, okay? To cut this.
That's what you think.
Gio, did you get whatever you needed? Did you get whatever you needed to record?
To record?
Something that started with a C.
The camcorder.
Yeah, what is that?
No.
Like, is he
Did they say I was going to get a camcorder at the thrift shop?
No, he said he'd rather get Bowser's Fury, but
I'm so confused. What are we talking about?
The camcorder?
I'm getting a camcorder like next month.
Oh, what is that for then? You told me it was to record. Record the episode. We need a workshop episode.
I kind of want to return these. Then again, I ripped open the box. But for now, I'm going to stick with my other cheap headphones because they sound better. And they only need one ear now. I should have just gotten a replacement for this. This was really good. Oh no. Of course, it is the.
Alright, Andy. I just realized I need 2 of these plates. How am I gonna get another one of this?
is there supposed to be 2?
No. Not with the way that we cut all this stuff originally.
Because we went to Dirk's
somewhere on the
Yeah, I realized I should have done that way. Or,
Because that needs to go in there. That needs to go in there. Where's one?
yeah, well, I want to keep that for the newcomers if there aren't ever.
Which one?
To dismantle.
Oh, no, it's not really.
Yeah, but you can put that anywhere for now because I doubt any freshmen are actually going to want to join this now.
This is the show-off button.
That's not a show-off bot.
This is the show-off button.
Dude, that literally has nothing. It doesn't even work.
That was the worst spot.
Our show-off bot, yeah. Our show-off bot is going to be that one after we build this.
No, it's the kicker pod.
And the kicker bot. And this, right? This works, right?
Baby chili.
Baby Julia works, right?
Yeah, when we get the hover rails working, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it'll be like next week.
Who's with the wheels out? I don't remember.
We had to for the cannon. I had to kill my own robot.
For the cannon?
It had motors on it.
Right.
But they're going straight back up.
We're still using the motors here.
No.
No, that's true, but we have 2 motors on the hood, and then we have that dual thing, right? That's 4 motors.
Like dual motor thing?
Yeah, we have the dual motors. That's 4 motors being used on this. I don't know how many motors were being used in the past.
You need a dual motor. So that's one motor. Technically.
No, it's 2.
So they're 2 connected to one.
Yeah.
But that's technically one motor.
This one, we'll work on it in the future, maybe.
So you need this.
No. No, I'm using this. This, and then whatever tool we decide for the shooter, which I don't know what we're gonna use. It's gonna be 2 separate ones. I don't know if we're gonna use 775 Pros, or we definitely don't have enough Neos, right?
We have one Neo.
We have 1 Neo extra? Yeah, no, that won't work. So, yeah, we're probably just gonna use 2 775s. But it's whatever. So, yeah.
Is this supposed to be the sluice?
What is?
This is showing. This feels like
Yeah, it's fine. We can't fix that. We
I feel
tried.
like it's still super loose. I don't know if it's because
If you want to fix it, knock yourself out. You have to push this way.
No, I feel like it's because I untied it. It's tightened it. No, if it's
Oh, you're gonna have to push this that way and that one this way. Anyways, I have to focus on the cannon, so no more interruptions, please. Epic. be using this. Do you want me to close the door? Okay. You're gonna be working on this, you said? What are you gonna be doing to Alright, Andy, do you want to quickly do this? It's just 2 cuts.
Sure.
I'll close it completely because it doesn't matter if we're locked in. We don't even go out there anyways. Alright. You're just gonna hold it just in case. Alright. Have to file both sets now. Alright, let's just do one more and we're done. Right here. This one should actually be faster. Yeah, no, screw this. No wonder Derek put it there. Honestly, I think I got this in.
Yeah, I don't know why you...
Yeah, because in the other ones it was bigger. recognize me though. Huh? Very rarely. I mean, I know why she doesn't recognize me, but Roop didn't even Roop didn't just like walk past. I had to yell out Roop, and then he stopped and he looked around, and I'm like,
Why don't you show it to school early? That's what you would say.
huh?
That's what you would say.
Nice.
Trying to see how it
No, I thought your phone broke again. I remember when you had to. Remember? Just to use
Those
it.
are times.
Yeah, that was fun. Ding, 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 ding. It was my decision to put those mechanism wheels. It's our only robot with mechanism wheels. I mean, I was able to get it to like work electronically and mechanically. Do you want a chart? Yes, sir. I printed those. I found them. It's from Daniel's favorite team, the Narwhals.
You guys have like a junk metal bin?
A junk metal bin?
Yeah.
Yeah, spare metals.
Yeah, there's a thing literally called spare metals right here. Right here.
Where does he stuff?
It's mainly brackets though, and they're orange mostly because of Force 1. But there is also brackets in one of these. But here you go.
Where's the gray teeth?
Gray teeth are right here, dude. Try not to use the orange ones, just in case we need them. Actually, there is one specifically that we do need, but it's in this one, so we're good. Andy, wasn't I here February 11th?
Yeah, he hasn't sent me. I told you guys to.
Aussie was there too, right? Was Tam there too on the 11th? Yeah, right?
Those Thursday, right? You want metal shavings on your Robo Rio? I got you.
What?
I thought you had other headphones.
Yeah, I have like 3 pairs now. I have backups for the backups.
The what?
Alright, so here's what happens, Steven. I have my wireless earbuds, I'm only work on my phone. I have my big headphones, which I keep at home because I don't want to break them. And I have my earbuds, which I use for my player, and I consider those sometimes my backups. I use them a lot more than anything I do. And they're always being replaced. So instead of
Which one
building the
broke?
backups, now I have backups for the backups.
Which one broke?
The left one, right? The left side doesn't sound. But I really use those earbuds.
I said, do you want metal shavings on your Robo Rio?
I've never seen that.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes.
What?
I'm not going to do that.
Huh?
That's how sparks like.
Alright.
Dude, what happened? What did you do?
Trying to see how to fix this and I connected it
red, red, blue, blue, right?
Connected it both right there.
Yeah, can you not do that?
So I'm not gonna do that anymore.
It literally says bad needs test.
I'm testing because I'm pretty sure this thing is broken.
Dude, no, just stop. Before you actually start a fire here.
Start on fire.
I'm safety captain here, remember? I have to at least pretend to be safe, you know?
Safety captain here.
Yeah.
Yeah, fix
There you go.
it. Somehow. Actually, I might explain. That'd be interesting.
Why do you think it would explode?
You not see the sparks?
Yeah, but on the other end, maybe you weren't supposed to do that. Where's OBS? There you go. I want to catch Geo working too, but Geo's too far away.
Just point it at Geo. Let's see if we get anything interesting.
I would move there, but there's too much. I'm gonna have a webcam and computer and somehow try to get.
You need wireless like one here. This is the infinite energy we needed.
Huh?
This is the infinite energy.
Yeah. Don't blow it up.
Blow it up. Here's not the light. Oh.
What playlist am I even listening to anymore? This radio's so random.
I have a radio thing.
Does it work?
Yeah. That's my update on the phone.
Is this 2019 part 1?
What is that? Sorry, but
Is this 2019?
I want to guess the song. I have so many songs I don't even know what's what anymore. Oh, bad. Oh, okay, I know this one. This was from camp. Summer camp.
2019.25.
It was actually pretty good because I split the playlist exactly halfway through the year in June. So it's like equal amount of content.
yeah, let me just think of all the. Let me start from this.
And then there's Geo.
It wasn't that hard. I was able to do it my
Yeah.
sophomore year.
You guys get locked out?
Yeah, I locked this out, but we didn't need it. I was just filing this down. Yeah, it's here.
Written up.
I can print it.
I know. I'll print it. I want to sit down with you and I want to go through with you. I need to.
Yep, I'll do that right now.
I just have to think. Yeah, I'm gonna restart.
Wi-Fi.
Probably.
It just says disabled for me. BCPS.
It's a lot.
Is it, which BCPS is it? I might just use BCPS guests. And now it's assigned into network. Cool, I accept. Dang, you need a login pin and everything? What is this guest Wi-Fi?
To log into your tier 06.
No, the pin I found. Okay, I have Wi-Fi now. No, there's this guest version, you just have to sign in. Like, you have to input your phone number, your name, and like,
Yes.
and it sends a message to your phone for a pin. I still blame Geo for everything.
I would too.
Alright, so plates are complete. Cut the connection plate, snap, file, everything down. Ready to add this.
So Steve, you say you need.
You're playing it here in Discord right now?
So what do you say? You need two plus like one of these, right? So,
No, I already have the
so you need two
this.
separate ones.
Yeah, for the shooter, but I don't know which one yet. I just need any 775 that works. And it's just the 775. I don't need like a thing. What's next? File. Doesn't look like it's raining anymore.
Yeah, it's like
It's on and off.
Yeah, I'll just check out to see how it is.
it's
Yeah. Yeah, Gio wasn't there for that.
it was.
Yeah, I know he was. something elevated?
Yeah. I can probably. I don't need your assistance. Like, probably.
Yeah, you do.
You don't want your assistance.
To have.
It's a scuff bot.
Look,
Let's follow it.
Look, you have this, right? Boom.
I do that.
But it's where are you trying to do?
All you need to do is drill 2 holes here, right, into this.
Tell
and
us
sit
it's-
wherever you want. And then you just rivet.
Steven, you're not thinking like a scholar.
Why do you want to make it so much taller? That's so stupid. No. No.
Yeah,
That's a waste.
It's a waste.
Okay, how
I'm
tall do you
serving.
need
I'm
this?
serving humanity. Someone elevated.
I mean, what you could do is just do that. Yeah, you have to figure out where you're gonna put it. You could do that too, but you're gonna have to drill. I really think you should probably just use this. Just mark and drill where the. And if anything, if you need to make it taller, that's the thing. I don't think you'll need to make it taller. Oh, you need a hole for that thing. Okay, so before you drill that, and before you connect it, you're probably gonna want like something that's gonna like for this. So hold on. What is that robot use? Is it really that scuffed in this robot? Oh my gosh. What?
I mean, it's called the scuff bot. That's
No, that won't work. This is a surprise. No, we're using that. That's actually the one piece I need to use. No. That's where these are. I should have been looking for them. There's other flexible brackets. One of these vents.
You want brackets in there as well. Mark drill holes, assemble right here. Somewhere in here, the brackets for the side brackets.
Yeah, what about?
Where's that on here? Attached.
Can't throw but via brackets, so that's where we connect.
So
the
I would
brackets.
say this has to go on here first.
Why?
So that way you put everything in and then bolt it in. Makes sense? So these, I would say these have to be on the cannon, and then you put, so you'll have the flanges on, and when you put it in, you just bolt into the flanges.
Oh yeah.
So
I wasn't very specific with this.
So
No, yeah.
specific.
Yesterday. Check
It
that.
was just a general plan so that I could remember.
I can't check it right now, but keep going with.
I'm just waiting to. That's hard to use on.
If you followed me, what I did, I think you should be good. I think you should be good.
I don't think you can use
And you
this.
did the 4 weeks, right?
Yeah.
But that would be perfect because it's elevated and
I
it has
would
the whole.
say just zip tie.
But now you can't use this. No, you can't.
This one's
Who knows? That's a really nice looking plate. I don't want to put that on this robot.
more. Put it on there.
Well, all you're doing really is just like curve it. That can work. As long as you're not like cutting anything, and all you're doing is just attaching it. I think no bending. Well, no bending. No. You don't need to bend it. So we can just sideways and have it attached here. Because the way this works, there's supposed to be something here that screws on and keeps it tight on both ends. I don't know why that's missing there.
I think I forgot where I got this part, like last year. I mean, it's been a year.
Yeah, this one's better than this one because it already has the holes. All you need to do is make these holes bigger. I don't suggest you drill right next to the wheel though.
That's all reserved for the
Electronic space. So what you could do is maybe have it in the middle if you want. So
Is this electronics or is it?
So this will like have to put in there. That should be able to fit in. It's like almost the same size. And then you have to screw something in here on this end, which I don't know what that is, so good luck. Alright. I'm done with that because I need to file stuff. Awesome.
Awesome.
So I'll take that one. Especially with butter, that's amazing. You're weird though. You're weird. If you've never tried these with butter, then that's depressing. You're missing out. Yes. Dude, this is basically bread. you have a Boston playlist? I'm surprised you don't have one.
Yeah.
Yeah, even Andy has one.
Come on, Jim.
You're the type to make a Boston playlist. Do you have a New York playlist? Exactly. You see? That's
I
ridiculous.
don't need your playlist too.
Andy has both playlists and you don't even have
Come on,
Boston.
Jim. Come on.
Hey, you know, for the second year Boston anniversary, we all traveled to Boston on the same time. Yeah, we go to the mall. You don't want to go to that mall again? They have that cool store that you probably like. You want like anime stuff and like.
Yeah,
I forgot what it was called.
I've only seen one other mall with McDonald's in
That's true. You know, Walmart's used to have McDonald's. I don't know if they still do.
The
it.
one.
Yeah, no, I know.
Silver Lake.
I used to know a few. There's one in Miami.
There used to be one by our houses that had a McDonald's. It had like the kids style one, like the old McDonald's.
That was like 2000 McDonald's.
Yeah, and they took it out. I was so sad because I used to love going out at Walmart just for that.
There might be one still in Miami.
There's one in Silver Lake.
You guys remember Wannadew City?
Or Clearwater.
Wannadew City? No. It's like stuff JJ did have. But I think it was better than JJ did some by law. Wannadew City. I think they stopped.
I'll just go with it's whatever. Which means that tomorrow either Austin comes or I walk or you can pick me up.
Let's hear.
Guess what song's playing?
Which Austin? Buckets?
No. You were singing it earlier.
Oh, Black Sheep?
Yes.
I don't know what movie it's from. What's it say? Yeah. He hasn't watched it.
Look, whenever I hear it, I just think of Ocala. It's like the Boston version of 2020.
I'm listening to the good version.
Every time I listen to it, I just think of one thing.
You what?
Oh, it's already on this thing.
Oh, then you just have to unscrew it.
Quit searching.
Yeah, I didn't notice that either. heard it after Ocala, which is the dumb part.
We have a watch. I got a watch.
Still associated with it. You know, they're color coded orange. I did that color coding system before.
No thank you. No thank you.
Yes.
Whoa, what's the problem with
I kind of see it.
this? How is it giving sparks?
It's a different type of spikes. It's here. So this is running. I'm just getting stuck.
Can you talk to Derek about it?
This is a bad one though. So
Oh, if it's a bad one, then of course, yeah. Just label it
I
bad.
have to relabel it.
Yeah. Genghis Khan. I don't know why I like saying that. Genghis. It's just Genghis, but like Genghis.
I wonder, is it
Is this not you, Haj? I've heard this before. Sounds like something you probably like.
Or just like a screw and get the.
No, you have to drill into here first, like this one, because look, the holes here are smaller than these
Right,
ones.
clamp it on.
And I can't use it on the screw. But you have to like.
You just have to drill.
Like have. Okay.
You just have to drill, and then you can just rivet it, and it's fine.
Yeah, it's gonna be annoying.
I can hold it while you drill it.
You get the clamp.
Okay,
Just
so
clamp it.
Or you can clamp it, yeah. He's gonna use
What do we have going on?
the radio light. Which, Gio, by the way, I think you should put the radio light outside, not inside.
Yeah, it has to be outside.
You're supposed to sit the clamp.
Oh yeah, it actually fits perfectly. It just needs to be, we need a drill to make the holes in here.
I think we should get the small.
And Gio, when you put it on, just use maybe 4.
In fact,
Don't put it on all 6.
this might be just better. You have to have this out, so you can see it better.
I would-
So either you switch this to the other side, or you just have it like this. Okay. But I don't know about that clamp.
That's it, maybe turn it around.
Yeah, I say you turn it around.
That's better because you have access to
Mhm.
that. Okay, so what are we working on?
I'm just finding motors.
He's finding the motors for the cannon.
So
Oh, well you
it does work. You guys have to change the gear ratio.
I don't know, it's not about gear ratio.
Yeah, you said
I just
the
need a,
shape does work.
a 775 Pro.
It does all work. Okay. It doesn't been touched, so it should work.
Okay, so Steven,
Mm-hmm. Here you go, yeah, you should be doing this. I've been filing these. So far, I've filed all this. And I'm gonna file all these brackets. And then I can start sandpapering them. Yeah, I had to, yeah.
so he specifically talked about cutting it here.
Yeah. Well, for one of them, I'll do. It was from
That's
like,
what number.
no, this is the camera. These are the
So,
Canon pieces.
okay, these are the cannons.
Yes, I said it's these. I got it from this one because it actually had less of these patterns. So let me see, put that on. inside, yeah, so I did it at the link that it wouldn't disturb the bearing, and it would actually be screwed onto this one. And all we have to do is drill a hole down here.
So it would be like this.
Yeah,
This thing.
yeah. So it'll be here, here, and then we can drill some holes here.
So
this.
So because of this, the size of this and the weight of this, I would say you need about 4 and about 4. So let us.
If I do more this way, then it interferes with the bearing.
So you need more. You need more connection between.
Yeah, so we could drill through here because that won't be a problem with the bow or any mechanism. But I'm trying to block this. You see this? This we need to use. And we can't go much down here. I marked it while I was doing it. So let's see if I can find it. Yes, this one. So I did it from the inside because it would be easier so that this is flat. This is where the bearing is. This is the center of the bearing. And I got a bearing and I put it here. And it was about here. So I made this line right here. Right? And that's the lowest we can go. But I thought, right here. That's the lowest we can go. But I thought, you know, maybe what we can do is just have this.
So we can just.
Yeah.
To here.
Yeah, and right here, and right here. Yeah,
And then
that's why I did it like that. Yeah, that's why I did what I did.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, I know it sucks it turned out like that, but we can still use it. And if you want me to cut another one, I guess. If not, we have extra.
So you're sanding everything down, assemble cannon plates, meaning,
We can assemble this, and this.
okay.
And then we can
So
start putting things
are you
aside.
doing that before you put on the holes for the bearing? So,
No, yeah, we have to make the bearing focus in between this and this. Yeah.
assemble cannon plates.
That's
What about this part?
that comes after we spray paint and powder coat. What we can do before that is drill the holes. Oh wait, no, we can do that after the powder coat. That doesn't matter. So yeah, I don't want to touch anything silver until we powder coat it. Anything silver I don't want to work with until we powder coat it. Which is why I focused on assembling cannon plates.
I think we should assemble this and then powder coat it.
We can do that too. We can assemble like
I say
We can do that. But first I gotta sand file everything first.
Hello, Gigi? Hello.
find your link and then ask Derek how to cut it because I completely forgot how to do it.
Wire cutter?
Huh?
Just use a wire cutter? Or just like put all your
I don't know. Ask Derek because I forgot.
For what?
To cut like a thick battery wire.
Yeah.
wire cutter?
Check wire.
See, I'm trying to make the scuff box less scuffed.
It's not stuffed. Everyone just took everything apart.
No, I mean, I know that. I mean, like, in terms of the wires were a mess.
Yeah, that wasn't me who did that.
I know.
When I did it, it was organized, and then they took it apart and put it
The
again.
cable's different lengths. It's like unusually put.
Yeah.
That I'm trying to fix.
You guys were actually working on it last time.
Yeah,
It was you and Chris, right?
This one, yeah.
it's like, it was me.
No, it was you and Kevin last time, yeah. When I did it, it was pretty good. But that was like 3 years ago. So.
Oh yeah, you just like, I remember you showing me, Derek showing me last year.
So, management at Bullseye Company lost their company.
So no powder coating for them.
So I just spoke to the new owner,
Mm-hmm.
and he said, so I'm going to try and reestablish a relationship. And I have to,
Oh, yeah, I need that.
yeah, so there are a lot of those actually that, did you find it in that?
Yeah, comment.
Yeah, okay.
So what does that mean?
So I'm going to, I have to send in some pictures. I have to invite them to the website so he can see what we do. He told me to send in some pictures of what we want powder coated and the color.
We could probably assemble it before we take a picture so that it's exactly how he will see it. Like assemble the brackets and stuff. But we can do that tomorrow because today I just want to focus on filing.
Okay. Are you finished with the bandsaw?
Oh yeah.
If you finished, I want you to just vacuum that up.
Okay. Where's the vacuum?
Gio,
Yeah.
tell me what we're doing.
Make it work.
So do you have, so you took down everything?
We had to use them.
Because I remember last time I was using it was kind of wobbly.
I didn't notice it.
I don't know, it was like,
You really have to listen to the gearboxes.
it's like, oh, I didn't notice that, okay. Maybe 30.
Oh yeah, wait, yeah, you need the wrench for the bottom. Into a radio mix that's like 20 combined. It's interesting. Oh man, no one typed this time.
These bad streamers.
Is this viewers? Like concurrent view? This is concurrent viewers.
Yeah.
Is this chart like the number of viewers?
We have 2 concurrent viewers. You know?
I think someone's still watching, right?
It might be.
Yeah, because if it's still like that, then that means it's still going, right? But then it shows there's only one concurrent viewer. Oh yeah, because it dropped.
So watch them.
What if it's just us watching ourselves?
That's what I'm saying.
One of them is.
Oh, okay, then yeah, that's us. No, but look, it dropped to 0 at one point. So yeah.
Stop watching yourselves.
Yeah, someone's watching us.
You guys have visual?
We don't have a drill that can attach to that text thing, so we should though. That should be like a good investment.
Very small.
Some streamer can check.
What do you need me to check?
Because it's right.
This type?
Yeah. Right there.
Do you need me to check it?
Sure.
but look at the play that it has. See that? So what you have to do is back it off to this point, put this on, and look in there, look on this side. See how much play that has? So this is not tight, this wasn't tight at all. So you had to do both. So I checked this side, this is fine. I haven't checked that side yet.
I think this one was really tight.
And you did both sides?
I did most of it inside. I might just need to. This one is very loose.
What's the one that's what? The one that has
I'll wait for you to.
That's the only one. Except it's straight.
Yeah. Let's do it. One. There's one tiny one under. 'Cause look, this small goes to this big one, which turns this small one, which turns the big one. Look, small, you're missing a big one, a small one that goes here, and then a big one that goes here. Oh, it's reversed. Yeah, I forgot that those were mirrored. Yeah, they're switching too. Yeah, for a second I was like. You have to find the right key size. I mean, size. For the gears. Very tough to take it off of here. Just take it out and then just transfer it yourself. An L. L's exist. Yeah, they do.
This is 9, 3, and 16. 3, 16.
You have to find it. It will take longer though.
So I think that was one of the big problems that this thing's going to tighten. All right, Stephen, here's what I want you to do. I want you to set up this thing, like how we're going to get this guy to powder coat.
I'm still filing.
I know, but I need to take pictures to send him. He wants to know what we want done. He wants to know the colors that we need. I have to send him on our website. And
No, because we're only at one set attached, right? On one set attached. And then the other bracket will be separate so we can attach it to the can.
no, we wanted that fully.
Fully?
So you're going to, we want to, if we can do that today, I don't know if we can do that today, but I want to get rivet that up. So you don't want to spend too much time filing.
Oh, that map.
And the other thing we need to do is we need to set this up before we mount it on there.
I don't think so. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have the cannon already fully built inside. We're gonna mount it there.
So
And
what's the
then
next step?
We'll have this attached to that. We'll attach it to place, and then we'll just build when it's already there.
So we just need this and these to be powder coated. That's it.
And the limelight.
Okay, so I want you to put all these things on the floor. I'll take a picture of it. And then I want to put put also one of these things next to it so I can show color, the color that we want. And if we can do that today, then that would be great.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. You want this on the floor?
Just set it up on the floor so I can take a picture of it. send this to them like as is, right? What I want us to be able to do is get that finished. Get that mounted and finished. So if he tells me to bring it to him tomorrow, I want to be able to do that.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to stay here for a while, a bit longer.
So let's talk about how we're going to do this. It's like this or like this?
Whichever one's flush. And it has to be this small part.
So yes, that's how we're going to start off with this. Let's get some holes drilled in here. Okay, let's first drill the holes in here. We have to drill holes. Actually, after we mount this, we'll put it on here to see if we can find any holes to match it up with before we mount it on here. Actually, no.
Yeah, over there.
Wasn't there supposed to be a general?
Go ahead and find the spot.
Wait.
So,
Was there supposed to be a general meeting today?
Yeah. I don't know what's happening in general meetings.
alright.
Like, no one's announced you. I can talk to Oscar about that.
We need to, in terms of our meetings, we need to,
I think we'll just,
maybe move those meetings because we cannot have meetings when we're here meeting in the shop. It's kind of counterproductive.
Or we just make all the captains show up.
That would be smart.
Or we can make all the captains show up. But if you, every captain's been in person except for Olivia and Kevin, and they don't really need to say anything. That's what we could do.
Okay, let's start doing that now. You know what we're doing? Get yourself a drill, get yourself the appropriate bit. Forget about the filing. We can do the filing after, Stephen, even after it's been powder coated, because they're going to sandblast it before they even powder coat it.
Then why didn't we sand them last year?
What?
You had us file every single one last year before we powder coated.
I'm talking about the interest of time. I want to get these things riveted, drilled, riveted, and fixed. So get yourself a drill, get yourself the appropriate bit, and I can help you with that. Are we done with these?
Yeah. Dude, you have like every tool here. Let's just go. I'm surprised.
Have to find something to score this thing. Gio, I want you to time yourself because as soon as we finish doing that, we're going to be out. Okay? How are we doing? What are you doing? What are you fixing?
I'm just making more.
You're making motors for
For now, I guess Baby Julia is.
baby joy.
For now, there's literally.
You're just putting together motors and not really knowing what
Because
ratio you're doing, or you're just
I'm
doing
just
it.
getting, like, I I was just getting the motors ready to like put the ratios in.
Okay. I'd say at this point, let's just start cleaning up
Yeah.
our areas.
Just gonna finish this last one.
Because it's going to try and.
It's like 5 right now. Do you think the pliers, Jim?
I have a lot of them.
The right side, you think?
First thing going back to
Drill.
pliers, though. You're gonna need a punch out first. Let me see if I can set up.
This press fit. So Stephen, we're going to drill one first, and then you're going to use that one as a template for the others.
Got it. Can we even do that? Because like, if you stack them on top of each other, you
No,
start offsetting.
No. We're not going to stack them.
Okay, well I have one.
We actually need.
I was thinking about just using this. But
No, we're going to do it properly. Let me get the clamp. There's a specific clamp that we need for that.
Okay.
It's whatever.
I don't think he uses the proper guide tool.
Like all the rest of those screws.
Let me see. That's not. That's not it.
The Derek lead. Yeah. He wants me to really do something fast. Well, Bryce said is I filed in while he's doing that, so they're all done.
open, right? So when this goes through, it goes through a space.
I don't think you could do both at the same time.
What do you mean both at the same time?
I don't think like the space is big enough for. Just wanna make sure.
This will go all the way to move it hand, move it hand, move it hand. So hand me a sequence.
Oh yeah, people did respond. Austin and Kevin were there.
The Kevin was.
Well,
That's like 30 minutes ago, I think.
So let me show you how this works. This is a crazy setup. This is the key to switch this on. Okay, I'm switching it on now, so just watch out. The cool little feature. It doesn't really. That's the correct. That's the correct size for the ribbons, right? So what we're going to do is just move this.
Is this tightened?
Yeah, this is tight.
It's fine so far. It's just get done.
What we may have to do is, so we're gonna have to do all the left-hand pieces first. So we're
That's
doing the
right.
smaller sides, right?
Yes, small.
So go in,
Alright.
put it down. I would say,
We need a measurement.
yeah, you need a measurement. So let's, no, but that's not what you want.
have an arbitrary number between here and here.
So here's what I would do. I want us to make sure that it runs in the middle like this way, right?
Yes.
And then you can just do a line across of all of them.
Kind of just did was just an inch apart, so.
Kid not
Alright,
child.
let's see it now.
What?
Was a kid not child.
Does it really matter how far?
Not really, just as long as it supports it. I do want to make them look at least pretty close to.
I'm kind of going halfway down. And let us say about a half inch in or a quarter inch.
Yeah,
What do you want, a half inch or a quarter inch?
quarter inch should be good.
Quarter inch. Put it up on the line. Move it up on the line. So quarter inch here. Quarter inch. Well, this one we want to move it maybe a little.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do that, then we can come in here.
You go see the kid, Gio?
Alright.
Okay, so you see what I'm doing, Steven? So I'm kind of just pushing this down and snugging it up.
Yeah.
Don't overforce it, but you can see that the cross is lined
Yeah. with the
right
second
there.
one, right?
Then you pull it on and go down. Slowly, just make sure that you go through slowly. Okay, you good? Take it off. So you're going to do all the lefts first, okay?
Okay.
Just keep them all there.
And once we have all of those done, then we'll match up with the
Yeah.
lay it down flat, like I showed you, and put it on the other part.
Dude, yes, needs the update. I didn't bring it against his card. So it's held on by a wire. This is a road. You should fix it.
Gio, what are you doing?
So busy right now, Steven.
You better be, because I'm doing this all by myself right now.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be. I was supposed to leave 20 minutes ago.
We're assigned to clean.
Okay.
But I have to leave. Can I? Am I locked out? I should go and find out because I have to go. I'm supposed to leave at 5. The brightest it can go.
No, because for some reason the metal does some weird thing that just doesn't let it, like, make the cross. What?
Let me see if I can leave. I don't know if the gate's locked. I have to go.
Steven, can you send him the SolidWorks code?
It's the same one?
Same one.
Okay. Yeah, that will.
Do any of you guys know the powder coat colors?
It was like
Wasn't it like
no, it was like green.
something like cash related, right?
Yeah, it was like,
Like
but no, I
honey
think
green or something?
they said no to that. That didn't have the
Who would know? Who would know?
Jaleel.
Jaleel.
I'm gonna end
Jared,
this
do you
stream.
think the gate's unlocked?
Gate is locked. You have to.